Good morning students. Today we are seeing expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. So first we write down a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. This is the square, so we write down like that, a plus b plus c into another bracket a plus b plus c. Then we multiply this bracket to this bracket. First we multiply by a to this bracket, then b to this bracket, then c to this bracket. So a into a plus b plus c plus b in bracket a plus b plus c plus c in bracket a plus b plus c. Then you multiply a in this bracket, a multiplied to this a, then b and then c, again b multiplied to this a into b into c, and then again multiplied c into a into b and c. Then a into a square, a into b plus ab plus a into c, ac plus b into a, so we can write down ba also ab, so we write down ab plus b into b square plus b into c bc plus c into a ac or ca. We can write down ca also and ac also, so we write down ac plus b into c into b cb, and also we write down also we see bc c square, c into c square. Then you collect the all squares, a square plus b square plus c square plus, here we have the two same variables ab and ab. Here nothing but coefficient means 1 and 1 2, so we write down 2ab plus ac, again ac plus ac 2ac, and bc plus bc 2bc plus 2ac. This is our next formula, a plus b plus c bracket square, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. This is the expansion of this formula. From this we again make another formula from this formula, a minus b plus c bracket square, otherwise a plus b minus c bracket square, and a minus b and minus c bracket square. From this one formula we make another three formulas. These are not particular formulas, but we use these formulas in our exercise. So how to make these formulas? These formulas are very easy. If you remember this formula, then you can make these formulas. So first you see how to make these formulas. First you learn this formula, a plus b plus c bracket square, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab, means first this pair of these two, then pair of these two, and then pair of first and third, AB, BC and AC. So how to make this formula? If here in this formula there is a one negative sign of B, then first you write down same formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice AC. And then you observe here is the negative sign to the B. Then you make the negative term of that B term. Where are the B? Then you put here minus sign only. Then this is the answer of this formula. Again we want to make this formula a plus b minus c square. Then a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. First you write down our formula and then you observe where is the minus sign to the c. Then you put the minus sign whereas the C. Here is the C, but here is the square, and we know the square of minus is positive. So you will not change the sign of this C square, because minus minus plus. Then where is the C term? Only one C term. Here is the C and here is the C. Then you put here minus and minus. This is the shortcut of making the formula. So this is the answer of this formula. Understand? Again, if we have the two negative signs in our formula, A minus B minus C bracket square, then first you write down our formula: A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. And then you observe where is the minus sign, B and C. Then you observe where is the B. Here is the B, but here is the square. So minus square is positive, so you will not change this sign. Here is the C and here is the C square. Again minus square is positive, so you will not change this sign of C square. Then here is the B, so you change the sign of this minus, because here is the minus B. Then here is the BC, both are the BC, and both B and C's sign is minus, and minus into minus plus, so you will not change of this. Then again one term here is C and C's sign is minus, so you change the sign minus. So this is the answer of this formula. These are the shortcut keys. If you want, then you use, otherwise you can multiply also. So this is the expansion of A plus B plus C bracket square. Okay. Now we see practice set 5.4. Expand. So I take here total, in the question first there are the 4 examples. I take here third and fourth. First and second you solve at home. Okay. Now this is the example number 3. 3x plus 4y minus 5b bracket square. So this example compared to A plus B plus C bracket square. Then what is our formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice AC. So we use this formula also, A plus B minus C. So I teach this formula. How to prepare this formula? A square plus B square plus C square plus twice AB plus twice BC plus twice AC. And here is minus sign of C. Then here is the C square, so it is positive. Where is the C again? This. So we put here minus and also here minus. Then compare this formula to this. A is equal to thrice x, B is equal to 4y and C is equal to minus 5p. Then put all the values in our formula. 3x square plus 4y bracket square plus 5p bracket square plus twice into A 3x into B 4y minus twice BC, B means 4y into C 5p minus twice AC, twice 3x into 5p, and then you solve only brackets. 3 square is 9x square plus 16y square plus 25p square plus 3 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24xy minus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40 yp minus 3 2 is 6, 6 5 is 30 xp. This is the answer of this example. Okay. Now we see example number 4. 7m minus 3n minus 4k bracket square. Then we use here a minus b minus c bracket square. So how to make the formula? Minus minus sign, a square plus b square plus c square minus twice ab. So here is b, so here is minus twice bc. Here is the BC minus minus, so it is minus minus plus minus twice AC. Here is only one C, so C is minus, so we write down here minus sign. Now this is the formula. So compare to this formula with this, A is equal to 7m, B is equal to thrice m, C is equal to 4k. Put these values in our formula. 7m minus thrice m minus 4k bracket square equal to a square 7m square plus b square is thrice m square plus c square is 4k square minus twice ab. A means 7m into b means thrice m plus twice bc 3n twice thrice m bc 4k minus twice ac twice a 7m into c 4k. Okay, now put the squares. 7 square is 49m square plus thrice square is 9m square plus 4 square is 16k square minus 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42 mn minus plus 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 nk minus 7 4s are 28, 28 2s are 56 mk. This is the answer of our example. Okay, see question number 2. Simplify. Question number 1. Example number 1. X minus 2y plus 3 bracket square plus x plus 2y minus 3 bracket square. Then we observe these three terms are same. A plus b plus c and a plus b plus c. Only these are the signs are changed. So we use here a minus b plus c bracket square and here is a plus b and minus c bracket square. So first we write down the expansion of these formulas. So a square plus b square plus c square, then plus twice ab plus twice ac plus twice bc. And here is the b negative. So where is the b? You put minus sign, minus, and here is also b. So here is minus. Here is the square. So it is positive. Again this a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice ac. But here is the c negative. So here is minus twice ac plus twice BC. Twice BC. Again here is the C negative. So put here minus sign. And then we add these two formulas. Add. If we add a square plus a square, twice a square, b square plus b square, twice b square plus c, twice c square, plus minus cancel, again plus minus cancel, minus minus plus, but sign is minus 2 and 2 4 bc. So what is the expansion of this? Twice a square plus twice b square plus twice c square minus 4bc. And then you compare this. What is the ABC? Our A is equal to x, B is equal to 2y and c is equal to 3. Then what is the answer? Our answer is twice x square plus twice b square twice 2y bracket square plus twice c square minus 4b into c. b 2y into c. c means 3. And then you solve 2x square plus 2 square is 4 and 4 into 2 8 y square plus 3 square is 9 9 to the 18 minus 3 to the 6 6 4 the 24 y. This is the answer. Now we see example number 2. So we see this example with another method. You can use here previous method also, but I say another method again. So you know the both of the method by using a square plus b square plus c, a plus b plus c bracket square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice ac plus twice bc. We can write down here bc also and here ac also. So you use this formula to this formula and this formula. So compare a equal to thrice k, b equal to minus 4r and c equal to minus twice m. Minus twice m. And in this, so we use later. Then what is the expansion of this? First we expand this formula. Thrice k a square means thrice k square plus minus 4r bracket square plus minus twice m bracket square plus 2 into ab. So thrice k into minus 4r plus twice bc twice minus 4r into minus twice m plus twice ac, a into c thrice k into minus twice m, and then minus another square bracket. We use here square bracket minus, you use this square of this bracket thrice k plus 4r minus 2m. A square means thrice k square plus 4r square minus plus c square means minus twice m bracket square plus twice ab thrice k into 4r plus twice bc means 4r into minus twice m plus twice ac means 3k into minus 2m. And then you solve this square brackets. 3 square is 9k square plus minus square is plus 4 square is 16r square plus minus plus 4m square, then plus minus 3 into 6, 3 into 2 6, 6 for the 24 kr minus plus and plus here, then 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 rm, then plus minus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 km, and then minus, if the minus before any bracket, then you change all the signs in the after bracket. So we change this sign. Minus 3 square is 9k square. Here is plus, so we write down here minus 16r square. Then plus, here is the plus, then we write down here minus. because this is the square of minus minus plus. So here is plus, but here is the minus sign. So we change this minus 4m square. Then plus 4 3 is 12. Here is the plus. So you change the sign. 3 2 is 6. 6 4 is 24 kr. So here is plus minus minus. You change sign plus. 4 2 is 8. 8 2 is 16 rm. Again here is the minus. So we change the sign plus. 3 2 is 6. 6 2 is 12 km. And then you solve the subtraction. Plus minus minus, so it is 0. Plus minus minus, so also this is cancelled. Plus minus minus, so these are the also cancelled. Here is the same sign, so we write down minus minus plus, but sign is minus. 24 plus 24 48 kr plus 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 16 16 32 rm. Plus minus cancel. So what is our answer? Minus 48 kr plus 32 rm. This is our answer. In this example, you use previous method also. Okay, students. And the third example you try at home. Okay.